ever that the city of Tallahassee has put up an extreme wind warning. It's unprecedented here.
Look at that one blade. You see that? All right, guys, it's mail day. And I absolutely love surprises in the mail, even when I know what they are. So I'm excited, super excited to open this box right here. Ooh, look at this. One blade, face and body. Check that out, guys. And a while back, the folks at One Blade reached out to me and they said, "Hey, Tony, thanks for being so enthusiastic about our product. We'd love for you to test one of our new products." And they sent me this because, as they can see, and as you can see, I'm a scruffy dude today. All right, so this is my beloved One Blade. This adds combs where you can not only manicure your beard, your face, but you can also attack all the other man areas you have for manscaping. So the face and body, One Blade face and body, which is cool. So it's got the original One Blade handle. It's got these attachments. Looks like there are a couple of body attachments and a couple of the trimming attachments that you would get with the traditional One Blade. First of all, let's give it up for Gina and the awesome folks over at Philips Norelco for not only making a great product, but for sending me this new product. And also in the box, there is one extra. So I have one for travel and one for home. No, I have one to test and review and one quite possibly for you. I'm going to give this one out. I'm going to give this extra One Blade face and body out, and I'm going to do it in a random sort of fashion. Maybe the best comment, but this is a subjective thing. And I'll get with my folks at Philips Norelco. We'll come up with some criteria to send this out to one of you great friends on YouTube. Check that out. All right. Should we do an unboxing? And then I will do the full review, a shave, and a manscape. You know, I got lots of questions about manscaping. And at first, to be quite honest, I had no idea what you guys were talking about. People were coming to my channel saying, yeah, all kinds of crazy, outlandish stuff. But you know what? There is a need for manicuring your man growth. Who knew? So let's unbox it. Now, Philips has always done a tremendous job keeping the products in the box. Like, they wrap this up like Fort Knox. If you ever need stuff packed up and shipped, go to Philips Norelco, guys. Because getting to this. All right, so there's like 15 areas that you gotta clear up. If you are looking for someone to protect your home, Philips Norelco, you may want to come up with some security products to keep people out of homes, because I can't get this open. I'm wearing my One Blade lime colored shirt just for the occasion. I will work for food. Can't get it open. One Blade to trim, edge, and shave any length of hair. Gentle on skin, tough on hair. You need a knife. There we go. Finally. All right. I'm not sure. All right. All right. And little plastic baggie number one here is your charging device. Plugs in. Nice. Like the original One Blade, you have a set of combs for your beard. Number one, number two, and let me guess, Number 3, 3 different trim lengths. These guides, little plastic guides, protect your Don Johnson if you're old enough to remember. If you want a shadow, you could put this on. 3 different lengths. Little cover for your blade with a hole in it on both sides to allow moisture to dissipate. In this kit, you also have a 4th blade or a 4th guide here. 4 stubble control blades or 4 stubble combs. Isn't that nice? And now you have the body comb. And I'm assuming that this is another body comb. So 2 body combs, a replacement blade, and 4 stubble combs. Sweet. Also, there's a coupon in the mix, so you can save $10 off your first 2-pack of replacement blades. Now, the replacement blades for me, guys, since I am a sort of a casual guy, and I shave 2 to 3 times a week, the first time I replaced the blade was probably 6 or 7 months in. The blades are fantastic. And also we have some instrucciones. So nice little kit. Again, I'll do a full review. I have about a 4 days growth. Maybe tomorrow I'll shave it up and attack some of my other man spaces. And I will get to one of you lucky clowns. I will get this extra unopened 1-blade face and body just for you. Again, I want to thank Gina and the fine folks at Philips Norelco for sending us these great 1-blade face and body kits. And if you're not lucky enough to get one of these soon, check the link below and you can order this on Amazon for yourself. You could send me one. As always, I want to thank each and every one of you for watching. I'll see you soon with the full review of the 1-blade face and body. But until then, remember.
Please remember. Keep
pushing.
play.
And I'll see you next time. See you next time, y'all. Here's the face and body comb. There's an extra comb right there. Very nice. 1 blade. Thank you, Gina.